I am Dr. Ramakrishna, psychologist. Uh, Today we are discussing about old age love affairs. Previously, love affairs between young age, it is a common factor. College love and teenage love. Before marriage, love affairs, it is a common. But recently, married people are loving each other. Married after marriage, she has two sons. He has two sons. Both are meet in the school premises when they admit to the children in the school. They love each other, but this love continues after that one. Both are marriage going to in the temple. After the marriage, it is also they are going to their regular life cycle. It is one of the case. It is coming to me yesterday, but it is a common factor in nowadays. Married people marries after two children marrying love each other up to 8 years, but this type of problems are coming. Okay, this is okay, 32 35 it is okay, but recently one lady coming to me that she has 45 years. Husband is neglecting, but she recollecting old age friend, 10th class friend. She wants to talk to him, and she is recollecting the old memories, and she is trying to each other. It is 45 years, up to that it is okay, but now 55 years. One SBI manager, his daughter it is also studying in MS in America, but he loved to the another woman. He is also sarpanch in the village. She is also, but recently 55 it is okay, but recently 64 years person is coming to me. He loved one under his servant for 20 years, but he unable to forget him. But love affairs, it is middle age and old age. Middle age it is acceptable, and old age it is also a problematic situation, but they are unable to forget each other. But when we see them, but it is not a sexual relationship, psychological bondage between the both of the people. They are unable to forget their system, they are unable to forget their relation in a proper manner, but they are recollecting to the old memories. But they are coming to me, psychologist, they are maintaining the relation 1 or 2 years, not only like that one, they are maintaining the relation up to 8 years, sometimes 10 years, so in one case it is 20 years it is also. But making love in wife, suddenly they are feeling boredom, but they have some ego conflicts. Then the husband goes to the another woman, but that woman it is also coming to him, but she is also maintaining the same affectionate relation. Both are needed. This is need based relation. Both are needed each other. Then they are continuing their same process. But the age it is also not objectable. Then they are continuing for the last 5 years, 8 years, 10 years it is also. But any relation, any other illicit relationship, any time there is a chance to stop the process. But up to continuing stage, they in 5 years or 10 years, they are not touched to any other woman or any other man. They are completely mixed up this type of feelings. Suddenly anything it is happening, they are unable to forget their old relation, unable to forget their love relation. Then they are under the depression. Then they are coming to the psychologist. They are maintaining the 8 years relationship, but they are coming to me, I want to forget that lady, please do the hypnotherapy for one time. One time hypnotherapy, it is possible to conclude the problem, then it is not possible. Then it takes time, counseling sessions, it takes time up to 3 to 6 months. Then I told them they are not accepting, and they are not coming to the up to 6 months it is also. Their immediate instant counseling they need, but they are unable to forgetting. First thing I tell that one, please remove her name and photos and everything, please remove her. Then better to stop their relations and everything, then concentrating your work and everything. If I told to them, then they are not positive, they are unable to forget their old things in a proper manner. So they are regularly, they are suffering the same problem. They are regularly continuing the family, they have children, it is also married, but they are thinking about the love affairs. Love, it is a very, very sensitive issue nowadays. Love means it is everyone, they are not earning the money sometimes they give the satisfaction, but love gives the extreme satisfaction. If we love anyone sensitive in a manner continuously 3 years or 5 years or 8 years, it is highly impossible to forget the old one. But we try to come out of that place, come out of that situations. But it is some cases it is possible. They are continuing the counseling sessions. Some cases it is not possible. Sometimes these cases goes to the crime. It is also sometimes divorce, and some cases separation. It is also happening. But anyhow, initial stages they are feeling very, very thrilling, and new taste and new experiences they share each other. They are one in the world, they feel like that. But lateral stages they are suffering the same. The lateral stages they are facing so many problems. They are unable to go to the normal stage, they are unable to earn to the regular money, they are unable to maintain the proper relation with his wife. It is also in some cases. But anyhow, this type of relations are common in the foreign culture. They are adopting Indian system to maintain this type of relations, but foreigners are forgetting very easily. They are maintained 6 months or 2 years, they are in the relation, then they are forgetting, they are going to the another woman. But here it is a problem, it is Indian system, they are continuing the same process throughout the years, then they are under the depression. So these type of problems are so many in the society, so many cases it is also pending in the court, it is also because of this problem. So finally I came to conclusion that one, initially when we start this process, initially we feel like that one, it is not that wife, that woman, it is not our asset, then it is their other asset. They maintain the friendly relation like that manner. Then if anything it is happening, if we are not feeling very serious manner. But men, it is not like that. Men always feels she is a closest one, and she is a very, very near to me, then he feels like that. Then the problems it occurs again. So finally I conclusion that one, if anyone is having like this type of relations, better to consult to the nearest psychologist, then overcome this problem. Okay, thank you very much.